It's okay if not everything is okay right now. Give yourself permission to actually be present with these things that are viscerally having you react to it. Notice there's more intensity. Notice there are some big things moving through. And employ this technique. Feet on the floor, hands on the body, get super present. Allow yourself to expand. And from there, that's the place to actually ask questions. That's the place to look at your options. Start to look at the possibilities to choose something different. And there's something really, really, really key in knowing that the future will continue to change. The future is not fixed. So you going, oh my goodness, this is what's happening, and projecting yourself into the future of like that's going to be the outcome and the only one that's possible, that's actually not so. So watch yourself when your brain gets super activated and you jump out of your body, out of the present moment into that fixed future, you've just lost presence with what is. You've also lost your conscious choice. This simple exercise of coming back to your body and expanding your space will actually be huge for you to come out of those projected futures into the now and start looking at what you would actually like to create for that future. Just because there's a lot of upset right now doesn't mean we don't have futures to look forward to. I know it can feel like that, especially to some of you right now. That's okay. Don't fight against it, but be aware of what that big energy moving through is causing you and costing you possibly. Start to employ this technique and see what can be shifted and changed.